Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the Monday, August 3rd. Happy Monday. That's not a thing. But anyways, let's go over the recap. So today was an all right day. It started off a bit slow. We had one big mover today. So let's go over the watch list that I had, right? So today, just like any other morning, I come to my desk and I pull up the gap scanner. So I was watching DTSS. At the point it was $7, so to me that's kind of out of range, so I didn't trade it. So I was still watching it just in case. HIHO ADT I was watching, but again it was out of my range. MARA, AIHS. AIHS I missed the move. I'll show you. It was a pretty good setup. What else was I watching? CBAY, DPW. And I think a few others, AMBO as well, I believe. So, yeah, let's go over the ones that I was watching or I missed, I guess, right? And then I'll show you the ones that I traded. So, AIHS was a good trade from a red to green move. Entry would be around, this area right here. But I missed it. I mean, this could have been a nice move right here, but I missed it. And then the other stock was AMBO, I believe. I was watching it, but I had it on a different tab. This one, again, the move that I would have been looking for was, for the break of this area right here, 275, right? There's an inflection point here, and at the same time, 75 cents is, not really big of a level, but you can tell based on the chart that was right. So I missed this move, but I still want to show it to you guys because this is a clear pattern, so that way it's easier for you guys to visualize and see. So all right, cool. Other than that, let's go over my trades. So today I'm up 167 down here. I traded MARA, GNUS, CBAY, and AIHS. I guess I did trade it, but I lost on it. Maybe the level 2 was looking weak, so I probably got out. So first, let's go over GNUS, I would say. So let's pull that up. GNUS, I had very good entry. I wish I went in with size, but then I didn't. So let's see. Let's pull up my orders right here. Let's go to GNUS. So later on, I was trying to get in for the break of 2, but that didn't happen. But I want to go back down here. So I got in at 187. Let's see if I got in any. Yeah, I think, okay, maybe right here. GNUS 160, 165. And then let me go back. GNUS. Okay, so I bought some at 160. I bought again at 165. Sold some at 167. Sold some at 170. And then sold some at 180. And then let's see what happened. Yeah, that was it. And then over here, I was trying to catch a move, but that didn't happen. I just got a broke even. All right, so pretty much I got in for the break of, I think it was this level 160. Man, I forgot. Let's go back. 185, I guess it was. No, not 185. 160. I bought a starting position at 160 and then added at 165. So I got in at 160. This was a very good entry. So right here, right? For the break of also, the high of day, I believe that was, yeah. I got in and sold some. I bought some here, but when I bought some, I was like, man, this looks weak, right? Because this is an indecision candle. But then when I saw, it's holding the 9 EMA, so it was riding along it, and then it took off. This was a good position to add more size, 165. That's where I bought the other 1,000 shares, right? So that's kind of confirmed that, and then sold some on the way up. Obviously, it went up way more higher, sold a bit early, but it's all good. Can't catch the entire move every time. So the next stock was MARA. I bought some at, this took me like few tries, like getting in and getting out, and then getting in and getting out again, and then getting in right, and then getting out again, and then I think getting in, getting out, right. So eventually, when I got in again at 3, right, eventually this broke out and I sold on the way up. So let's go back here. So this took a few tries for the break of 3. Let's see. Yeah, so this was around this area right here, right? So as you can see, getting in around 3 and it was failed. Getting in around 3 over here, it failed. And eventually it was this area where I got in when I saw I was holding these EMAs, and then I got in for the break of 3 and I sold some on the way up. Obviously, I sold way too early. As you can tell, I think my best, let's see, I got in at 3 and sold some at 302, and then sold some at 313, sold some at 311. So, this was around this area right here. I wasn't sure how it's going to do just because lately it's been kind of choppy. So that's why I sold it. But, I could have added more here, but then it was a bit risky because, it may have resistance around this area. But, obviously this did really good, went all the way up to $4. And my entry was at $3. So it is what it is. Oh, it went even higher, I guess, 470, 480s. So yeah, guys, today was, I guess, good momentum on MARA. I wasn't able to capitalize fully on it, but it's also the first day of the month. Psychologically, I want to make sure I want to have a green day, so that keeps up my confidence, right? So that's another key thing. I wanted to make sure I want to have my win and just be done. So other than that, hopefully you guys are green. Subscribe to my channel. Also, you can check out the watch list on Twitter. As you can see, I posted DTSS, MARA, AIHS. I kind of messed up on the spelling there. So CBAY, DPW, and a couple other ones. So, all right, I will see you guys tomorrow.